do a somersault.
He was trying to explain to me that they crawled up in the trees, that they can do that.
Yes, they can.
Oh,
Oh dear. Go on, turn a somersault, you silly little thing. What a show off.
why don't you go up in the trees and
That is ridiculous. He's just going crazy. Now, he just knows he has an audience. I'm going to fill up my memory card soon. Oh, you're so lucky to see this. This is the best performance I've seen so far. Yes, great. Yes, fantastic. Silly little panda.